Yes, so
outside.
we're gonna go outside and we are gonna make a pretend snow volcano.
Wow.
Okay, so
Okay.
in my basket I have all the supplies we need. We are going to need baking soda. So
Yeah.
we need 2 spoonfuls of baking soda.
Spoonfuls.
And I have my spoon. And then we're gonna need 1 spoonful of dish soap. I have to get the dish soap before we go
Oh
outside.
yeah, that's right.
Dish soap, but just regular cleaning soap. And a few drops of food coloring, just regular food coloring.
Yeah.
And
You can choose whatever color you want to.
yeah, and 30 milliliters, so that's about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And of course you're gonna need snow, and then you need a small container. So we have a small one, but I think we're gonna try to put it in a big one too.
Big one too. Well, so you can add more ingredients or more amount of each ingredient if you want to make it bigger.
So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
It's gonna be fun.
All right, so since we're going outside, we're getting ready. We have our jackets. I'm gonna put on my gloves and my hat, and Miss Regina has her gloves and her winter coat, and we'll see you outside.
Okay, geared up.
Ready?
Okay.
Right. Okay, we're outside and we're going to build our volcano. So I'm gonna take our cup and I'm gonna bury it in the snow. Build up the snow like you're building a volcano.
This.
And it looks like lava coming over the side
I like this lava.
of the volcano.
Blue and pink. Alright.
Okay, so if you decide to do a volcano experiment,